Happy February. The snow's melting. I feel good about it. Let's see, when we last left off, I was trying to check if I was streaming or not from the front end, but Twitch has a CORS policy set up, which is cross origin resource sharing. Which means I'm not allowed to just grab this page from them. And that's okay, because if I just do it from the back end, I'm pretty sure it's gonna work. That is, if this is an actual thing that's gonna work on the page. It looks like it's gonna set his live broadcast somewhere, but I'm just trusting some random Stack Overflow answer. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna test this in a Lambda function. Get rid of that. I need to take this off screen for a split second. Make sure I have all my permissions set up. So let's go back to the file system. I'm gonna have to go into the Amplify folder. This is where all my backend stuff will be. Mint functions, auth, Google, reCAPTCHA, Square, storage. Maybe reCAPTCHA verify should be under Google. Okay, so what am I doing now? I'm just checking. This is gonna be temporary files anyway. Call this one streamer. And new folder, Twitch is streaming. I'm just gonna copy these, paste them into here. I don't need any of these. Yeah, wait, why did I copy the S3 handler one? This looks fine. I'm just gonna delete the handler. And grab something like reCAPTCHA verify. That I'm gonna be calling. This, well, I don't need the secret. I don't need that. Any B's. Which is streaming, boolean true streaming, false otherwise. Don't need this. Well, I guess we'll keep that and just delete that. Oh, yes, actually. Get rid of that, but I am gonna want this. Ah, eventually. So we'll change that to Twitch is streaming, but we're gonna hide that for now. Keep the constants. And we're gonna have this. This would be. Well, do I wanna? I feel like this, in theory, this could be called for any Twitch streamer. So yeah, I take it back again. I'm gonna get rid of the environment. Oh yeah, do that. Just to is streaming. It's going to be event.arguments dot ID. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Return true. I love it. Get rid of that. And this is not in the schema. It's gonna be how I'm gonna want it to be called. How did I do? Event bridge handler. Okay, now I sit here and I think to myself, do I want to call this Lambda function every time somebody loads the website? Or like once an hour? I think for now I would just do it on a per person basis. If I actually get like viewers, then I would change it to be scheduled. So for now, I'm just gonna do this. We'll come back to that. Maybe not. Maybe not. I'll go to where would that be? At the under data. Yeah, that's where I make the schema. Twitch stream is streaming, gets a query arguments. Yeah. Gotta name it. Returns a boolean. I guess I will have to import it. And then authorization. Allow guest and authenticated. Yeah. Because I do want unauthenticated users to be able to check if I am streaming. So that looks good. I just need to import mint Twitch is streaming. From AmpMint. No. Nullable. So first off, I forgot this is required. That's the issue down here. Whoa, yeah, something's wrong here. Stupid ass AI removing my. Oh, I guess I do need to add that. Okay, but it's not actually there because I need. Index file in here. Save that, add streamer to here. Save that. That's good. Yeah, wait. Did I do handler? I meant resource. Forgot to upload or update this file. Find function, I don't need secret. Upload, which is streaming. Definition is pretty unnecessary there. Text Twitch channel streaming. Mint. Which is streaming, define function. Runtime 20. Memory, not likely. Timeout seconds. 5 is probably fine, but I'll give it 10. We don't need the environment. Change that. What? I don't want. I used to do the export and export default. I had to export default in every file, but now I think I prefer just using the named exports. So I do believe everybody's happy. So I should be able to build this. Got a script for using the sandbox, npx ampx sandbox dash dash profile. I have a profile set up, and then dash dash stream function logs is so that I can get the console.log outputs from sandbox functions in my console instead of having to go to CloudWatch, which is pretty lame in comparison. You gonna take your time, Mr. Sandbox? Sandbox is gonna take its time. Use Control-Shift-5 to split it. Build the libraries. Great, now it's creating the new function. I guess I probably didn't. Just return true here. So this isn't actually going to do anything for us yet. Let's go back to the Twitch widget. Find my check streaming function. Put that into is streaming. Okay, well that's not going to be right. This is just ID. Gonna need to no, I can't log the entire page. Okay. No. Whoa. That's what I want here. first I need to switch text. I just want to see the index. For now. I'm gonna save that. The sandbox will redeploy. Okay, and then I will come to the Twitch widget. And instead of this, data service equals inject mint data service. That's important. Inject and mint data service also comes from here. Clearly that goes over here, and it's mint service data. Okay, and then return await this dot data service dot client dot query. Is that really how I format this? Let's do the other one, mutation. Let's stop models. Where? Yeah, reCAPTCHA, that's what I want. It's data service client queries mint reCAPTCHA verify. Yeah, that's what I thought. But that queries Twitch is streaming. ID is this item.id. That should do it for me. We save that. Let's rebuild the libraries just for fun. Let's serve it. Calendar. Calendar. Okay, it's because I didn't add the Twitch widget to the sandbox, added it to prod. I gotta sign in. Go to edit, pages, home. That's cute. I'll put that there. Here, let's see if I can remember this. Type. Is it rich? ID. Apartment. Is that gonna work? It might be nowhere near how I set this up. Hey! It's small, but it's there. Maybe put it in a grid. There we go. Oh, you're seeing my desktop, and that is too much. Oh, it's still there. It must be OBS that's off. There we go. Wonder how long it's been like that. Okay, so now we got this guy, and then this is object. Shouldn't this be a boolean? Let's go back to result.data. Let's just log it. And build the libraries. Then we serve. Okay, so we got a false. Whoops. What do we got over here? Info result true 0.9 sign in. Oh, that's from reCAPTCHA verify. Yes. Okay, let's come back here. No matter what, there should be a... Ah, we got the auth mode. Capture service, token, token, action, action. Okay, so in this one, at least the config is separate item. Also going to need the auth service. Keep it private. What's wrong up here? Not statically analyzable. Well, you're wrong. Everything looks fine here. Rebuild the libraries. Serve it. Page reloads. Nothing? Hey. Info, Twitch text 5593. So that means it printed out, or the page with my username currently does have this 5593, or does have these. Where's the handler? Is live broadcast string at the 5593th position. So this should be true. I gotta wait till I'm done streaming to check for false. But that's a good sign. Next, what I wanted to do was change this to text dot substring minus 100, and this should be wrapped in max 0. Okay, fine. Math.max 0, and then this one's min text.length and text plus 100. Great. That should be -1. Yeah, it's 0 based index number, so that should definitely be -1. That's 0. So I'm gonna get the characters surrounding it. I feel like 100 should be fine. Let's save that and let the sandbox redeploy. Take your time. get back to that, come over here, reload. Says false. It's not gonna switch to true. Switch text. It looks like it's at the very beginning. What? I don't know, this doesn't make sense. How many characters even is this? It's 98 characters. 100 if you count this space. I don't know if that works. But substring math.max 0 and index, which was 5,000 minus 100. Now math.min text.length minus 1 should be the length of the entire page, or index plus 100. But what I got was a substring from the beginning of the document for 100 characters. Text.substring returns a substring at the specified location with a zero-based index at the beginning of the substring. Is index minus 100. Zero-based index number indicating the end of the substring. 2, but not including the character indicated by the end, and I used index plus 100, or the total length of the document minus 1, whichever is smaller, so it should be this one. No, maybe I just suck at computer science and shouldn't try any of this fancy shit and should just get it to work. Just get it to work. Search results, data true. Extensions undefined, that doesn't matter. Okay, we're fine. So let's check out what we got here. Type, broadcast event, end date, start date. Is live broadcast true? So the person said just look for index of is live broadcast. So I guess my question would be, I guess this won't be is live broadcast false? Okay, and I want to do this in a slightly better way. Give me 500 back. Because it looks like I'm at the end of the script in question. So just change where the log is and let that recompile. Let's just reload the page. Call the function again. Something bad happened. Channel equals player equals Facebook. Not quite. Change that to 1,000. Save it. Reload, starts false. Becomes true. Love it. Okay, so I want this script. And this is all meta. So there's got to be a way to just fetch that so that we're using less, transferring less data. Oh, you know, it also has the title of the stream. It's got an embed URL. Parent equals meta.tag. Interesting. Oh, wonder what the thumbnail is. Yep, that seems about right. Oh, there's a bigger one. Okay, upload date, publication, type, broadcast event. Didn't I already see that here? Well, no, this is type video object. Broadcast event. Okay, so that's the publication. So I basically want all of this. And then I'm gonna parse it into JSON. And then extract this if live broadcast true. I could just search the string and then I know, but Now I'm seeing I can also get the name of the stream. So let's see if I can just LD plus JSON. Let's take a look at linking data. Okay, other crawlers, structured data about the website, love it. I wonder if, like, there's no way that's the only one, right? Might be the first. Can I get drift match equals text.match? It's okay. Really just want to know the length. Ah! Let's save that. Let it deploy. Go to false this time. Twitch text undefined. What was it last time then? Application / LD plus JSON. It's type equals double quotes. Can just like try again. Why'd I get false? I didn't change the underlying logic. There's a true. Twitch text undefined. No, here it is. Twitch text 1. Undefined must have been the last time. This 1 means that they only have one LD plus JSON script there. So we're gonna do what am I gonna call it? Give me the contents again. Oh geez. Well, I'll just do stream info equals JSON.parse script match. 0, I don't think I need to replace. Right? Because it should only be matching on the parentheses, right? No. If G flag is used, all results matching the complete regular expression will be returned, but capturing groups are not included. If the G flag is not used, only the first complete match and its related capturing groups are returned. In this case, match will return the same result as... Okay, that's it. There's just two different ways of using match depending on whether you're using the global tag or not. Now, I already know that there's only one of these, so I'm just gonna get rid of the global so that it matches the first, and now it's not going to include this part in my result, it's only gonna give me this part. So, let me just double check that. Get rid of that. We'll do script match dot length and the first item. Save that. Wait for a rebuild. Give it a reload. Wait for the true. And this time I got 2. I guess the first one is gonna be the full match. And then I should be able to do if script match dot length equals 2. Yes. No, I don't need that. I don't need that. I can just do Get rid of all that. Change this to stream info. Save it. We'll come back. Got my true. Hey. So, here we are. I have all the info. Um, I wonder if this is gonna be there when I go off stream. The problem with I'm gonna have to debug. Gonna have to debug off stream. But basically, now what I need to do is, well, I'm gonna change this from boolean actually. I guess I don't really need to grab the title, but I could grab the title. But I guess I don't really want to. Let me see, stream info, question mark dot publication dot is live broadcast. I'm fairly certain that's correct. Publication is live broadcast, true. So I could get stream info. I'll do dot description and then is live broadcast. That should be it, and then I can return. We'll get there. We'll get there. I'm gonna switch over to fun pedals. Okay, looks like we're good. Give it a reload. Let the logs flow. Switch fetch error. Cannot read properties at all. Reading description. Yes. Yes. I forgot. There's one more before description. At graph. At graph. So. Dot. At graph. Dot description. That's gonna work. Turn this down. Okay, so none of that worked. What did I do wrong? Twitch text first. You need question mark dot if we don't know the stream info is going to be there. And I can't use the dot notation because it has the at. At graph. Ah, that's an array. Okay. At graph question mark dot 0 question mark dot description. This one's gonna be stream info. Gotta add this and this. That's gonna work. Calling it. Ooh, what is going on here? Jeez. Give it a reload. And down here we should get the title of my stream and the status, which should be true. Coding with Sam is the title of my stream, and true is the value of is live broadcast. All right. Got some spam in the chat. You get a ban. Okay. Response text. Index is no longer needed. Oh. So for here, it's just gonna be is streaming equals that one. Turn is streaming. But here's the question, why am I returning a boolean? Okay, so I think I'm just gonna save this. Add a comment. Get stream title with I guess I accidentally. Stream info, graph, 0 description. Okay. Amplify, Twitch streaming handler. The handler just returns the streaming function. Checks if the channel is streaming. Given a Twitch channel ID. Goes to the page, gets the text of the page, strips out the stream data, parses it to JSON, gets the boolean value of the isLive broadcast, returns that value. Any errors in that? Well, I feel like JSON.parse can throw an error. Yep. I'm going to cut these guys out. Paste that there. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to leave this like this for now. And it will work perfectly fine. And I left me a little note. I can get the title of the stream. How about that flare? I can get the title of the stream from using this. Over here. Reload. Okay, so we're good here. All I did was print out true whenever I'm streaming. if I can. What did I do? I didn't do that. Alright, so now we have our Lambda function that will tell us if I'm streaming or not. Very fun. Now, I feel like I got a good bit done. I gotta turn off this template logging. Don't really know what to do with this. The plan is there's going to be a landing page carousel, and the landing page carousel's first item will be the stream. If the stream is running. So I'll probably do that in a next episode, maybe take a break, submit some applications. You know any tech recruiters, send them my way. The suspicious job offer I got definitely turned out to be a scam. They didn't use the primary domain of the company. And you know, sometimes companies have, you know, companycareers.com also, and they'll give that email to the hiring managers or something. But what I did was I looked up the ICANN records. What's that stand for? Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. You can look up who owns what domain, and I found out that Well, I compared the domain of the company, like the primary domain of the company that I thought I was getting a job with, compared the records of that to the website plus whatever it was, careers.com, and saw that their records weren't matched, but also the domain was registered a day before I got the first email. So that's pretty conclusive that that was a scam. So I'm still looking for jobs. Let's keep it going. I'm gonna keep on doing this for fun. Oh, 3 viewers, no way. Wonder if it's counting my embed as one. Well, if anybody is watching, feel free to ask any computer science questions. I'll give you help with your coding homework. Talk you through what you're stuck in at work. Looks pretty good to me. I'm gonna get rid of the... So this isn't going to be... I'm not gonna check for streaming in here. But I am gonna keep the code for now. Spread these out. It's getting too long of a line. Alphabetize. Here, get rid of this is streaming. So that's not going to be helpful. They'll just be able to see the stream. Let's see. Did the page component? No. Widget component. There we go. Wait. Yeah, this one. Get rid of that. Save that. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of my logs in the Twitch widget. Jeez. Didn't I already do that? Oh, I need to rebuild first. Let's build the libraries. serve it again, see what happens. I'm just gonna set this down for a second. I think I'm close to being done anyways. Big stretch. So, still got some logs here somewhere. That's the item. And I'm going to have to change this. No, I don't want to have to set this. So I'm going to need can I use the routing service dot matter. And try URL. Let's just go. I'm here and search for Angular. Get domain name. Window.location.hostname. Okay. Angular 2. Need to provide the window app object. Document. From Angular platform browser. Ah. Angular's common location library. These are all underscored names though. As you rely on private attributes, yeah, we don't want that. Just index document. Okay. Yeah, that's what this guy was saying anyways. But it's not platform browser, it's common. So we'll try get rid of that. But I will want documents equals inject document. Import that from Angular/common. Don't need that no more. And then I can console.log this.document.location.hostname. Now I would also need to update the package.json to include Angular common. And did I use mint? Yeah, appart mint/mint. So we're gonna need that from, grab this. Ah. Format that, save that. Build the libraries again. And we save it again. Yeah, what I even did here. I'm just logging the host name. Come back here. Localhost, localhost. Perfect. So I can take this and put that right in here. That way I don't have to update the host name for every client and every environment. Looks fine to me. What was I doing over here? Yeah, setting the parent. And that should be good. spaces between members and functions. Fetch account page. No. Do believe everything is fine here. I think I wanna do the YouTube one next. And I need to test it offline, so I am going to end the stream here, and I'm not going to stream fixing or anything I do with offline, but I am going to keep the recording going so that when this posts to YouTube, you can see that if you so choose. But for now, thanks for watching. Now we have a Twitch embed widget that also keeps track of whether you're streaming or not. So let's say I wanted to, I'm gonna have to poll for whether I'm still streaming or not. Yeah, this is gonna work like this. I'm gonna need to schedule a function to decide whether or not I'm streaming, and then just subscribe to a value from the front end, so that if I end the streaming, that can get that update. What up with the errors? Like, I just rebuilt the libraries. Let's see, memory used is 115. I gave it 128. That feels like plenty of wiggle room. 104, 110, 110, 105. Maybe it's not enough wiggle room. What's gonna change how much memory my Lambda function uses? $107. You know what? Until I start having issues, 128 should be plenty of memory. Everything's good here. Maybe I should at least commit. Updated publish because I added a library. Amplify data resource got updated. Updated mint functions, angular package.json. Updated the local widget. Added the streamer functions. Added the ngx streamer library. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I'll run update mint just in case I was linked to the local version of it. And now I can npm version patch. And let's say started ngx streamer. Hopefully that will publish correctly. All right. Now I'm gonna be done with the streaming. Thanks for watching. I will be back on after this short break.